Okay, this is the Scout. Not 100% sure what year it is. 70 something. 72, 73, something like that. International Harvester Scout. Now this is a family. Father-in-law. Was his farm vehicle for a while. Until it was no longer. I think four-wheel drive kept on having issues, and so I stopped using it. And eventually they parked it here and it died. A lonely death. I want to get it running again. I want to restore it, turn it into a daily driver, winter vehicle kind of thing. Some rust to take care of, some body work to take care of, repair work, all that fun stuff. For the most part, it seems to be in pretty decent nick. There is a quarter panel missing, the front driver's side, apparently in an accident, so there's some sheet metal and some other fun stuff to work with over there. I've already tried the doors, they're seized, so I'm gonna have to have some fun work doing that. Needs to be cleaned. Underbody probably needs to be all kind of redone. But, I don't know. It's gonna be a fun project. As you can see, the door is canted up. Oh, and as you can see, we're having fun. Oh, you dropped it? I'll pick it up. Say hi. Hi. So, yeah. That's going to be the star of the show, a little bobcat. Another rescue I made. So, getting this beast out of here, moving down to the trailer, which he's on his way, so he'll be here shortly. It's going to be all kinds of fun. I'll try and document as much as I can as I rebuild and restore this beast. It's gonna be interesting. So here's some more pictures of the extraction. Vehicle ended up like 4 to 6 inches in the dirt, which really became a problem. We thought the bobcat, you see there in the corner, would be the star of the show, but it really wasn't. Didn't have enough weight to outclass the dirt. Ended up, the come along was the star. Wrapped around a tree, we were able to slowly crank it out of the dirt. Much later, this is about 2 hours later, it's down in the drive and we can actually get it on the trailer. It was an ordeal to get it down this far. But now we're actually ratcheting or come along it back onto the trailer. Most of the vehicle was pretty good. 3 tires were okay. One of the 3 kind of held air for like 15 minutes and that was it. 1 tire was completely and totally flat garbage stuff. Yeah. But we finally got it onto the trailer. It was an ordeal. Got it all chained down, ratcheted down. Props to my brother-in-law Zach, he really did a ton of work on this. And got it ready to go. And there it is on the trailer. You can see the ravaged tire. Ready to go, ready to be transported to my garage. I took the back window down, which is held up by bungees, and put it in the back to keep it from getting lost. Here we are unloading it into the garage. Not much of pictures of this. Garage is big enough with a little bit of extra space to spare, but yeah, it was a tight fit otherwise.